Every company is different, and as Raghu mentioned, their maturity level and their strategies are different, and that's going to dictate a lot. But one commonality that I see, so we'll just make this a little bit generic, is that companies that best utilize their data and analyze that data are best positioned to meet their strategic goals. So one of the keys to doing that is really disseminating the decision making, or actually not decision making, but the process by which you're doing insight identification, actionable information, those types of things. The further you can disseminate that into the organization, the better off you're going to be. So, gone are the days when we can afford the luxury of having a small centralized ownership of building out reports and expecting that to be sufficient. If COVID taught us anything, it's that we need more data and more users analyzing the data to be able to really make sure that we are making the right decisions at the right time. So, when you're choosing your tools to utilize, you want to make sure that you're meeting your users where they're at. So I love Raghu's analogy with the crawl, walk, run, right? And it's one thing to uh, kind of rate your organization of where you are on that particular journey. But you have pockets in your organization, let's be honest, that are at crawl, and another pocket that is at run. So being able to lean into that and making sure that you have the appropriate technologies to meet them where they are is really important. We've always said BI is about the right data to the right people at the right time. And it's really about and giving them the right functionality is as important, right?